Welcome to A through Z Reviews, where we bring you our most honest, truthful, and unbiased reviews of different products. And today we actually have a product by Manscaped. And it's they sent it to me to give my full honest opinion of it and review of it, and that's what we're going to do. So the packaging here. So as you can see, the packaging here, I tore the label off so it wouldn't show my personal information. But everything comes in this box. And the one that they sent me is called the Toolbox 4.0. I did open up the box to see if it was a box inside of a box, and it's not. Otherwise, I have not taken this out of the box. We're doing the unboxing. So you open it up, and you get a piece of paper with the with your products packaging slip. Now you get the Manscaped, the Shears 2.0. The packaging feels really nice. Quality packaging. This is the Manscaped, the Plow 2.0. Which is also in a nice packaging box. We get the Weed Whacker. We get the Lawn Mower. And we get the carrying case for it all. Okay. So here's all the products that comes in the Manscaped, the Toolbox 4.0 package. And the packaging, these boxes that's everything is packaged in, actually feels like premium packaging. So this here is the Plow 2.0, and it's a single blade razor for a super close up shave for your face and neck regions. Let's open it up here. So it nicely opens up. In your shaver, um, the Plow, Very nice. Very nice. Heavy. Feels pretty sturdy. And you also get in the box you also get 3 little premium stainless steel razor to go in here. You just unscrew that and you put your razor blade in there. And you screw the handle back on. And there you go. So this is the Plow perfect proportions come together to create an easy to master shaver. So this is the Manscaped weed whacker. So let's open it up and see how it's packaged inside. Very nice. I like the feel of it right out of the box. Let's see here. And then we got the little booklet and stuff. So this is the weed whacker ears and nose trimmer operating instructions here. And then in this pouch, which is actually material, which is nice, we have, let's see what we have in here. We have a AC charging brick, and we have the charging cable for the weed whacker, and it just plugs into the bottom. Very nice. Now, I do like the feel of this. It has that kind of like that rubbery feel versus just being straight plastic feel on it. Very comfortable in the hands. You got your power button, your indicator light. Very nice. Not hard to push on that power button. Like that. Power brick. Nice. Very nice good quality made for the weed whacker, which is your nose and ear trimmers. It is cordless and waterproof, so you can clean it and charge it easily for a routine trimming. I'm going to stick this in the case here. I really do like how they included this case for that. Very nice. So, next up, we have the Manscaped, the Lawn Mower 4.0. Designed for grooming, skin safe, replaceable blade, rechargeable wireless charging, LED spotlight and power status indicator, waterproof, and travel lock. Okay, let's see what we have in this one. Nicely. I like the packaging. This is very nice, like feels magnetic, thick, nice and thick packaging. And we got right here the hair trimmer. Nicely made, feels comfortable in the hand. Let's see what we have. We got the Manscaped Let's Get Mowing Quick Start Guide. That's the quick start guide. You got the user guide here. Let's see. Nice user guide. Now we have a black bag here. This black bag actually feels kind of thick. Let's see what's in it. Okay, in here we have the USB, which is the USB-C cable and charging brick. Now this cable is actually nice. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it is threaded. Very nice cable, USB-C, and your AC plug, and then your little brush. we have your charging stand. That's where the USB-C plugs in at. Has rubber feet, 4 rubber feet on the bottom of it, so it won't easily slide. You have the 2 trimmer guides. Okay. And nothing else in the box. So this is very nice. Got a good feel in it. It does have that rubbery feel to a good portion of it. This top portion here don't have that rubbery feel, but that's fine. You got your little light right there, indicator light, and that's the light that helps you see what you're doing and stuff. So it's very nice, feels good in the hand, and all you do is just slide it into your charging stand. And of course, you plug this in, you can leave it plugged in, and that way after your shave, when you're done, you can put it in there and let it charge back up to maintain a full charge. So it's very nice. I do like the feel of the lawnmower, which is the electric body hair trimmers, is waterproof and cordless, so it is perfect for trimming in the shower with virtually no mess. It can hold up to 90 minutes in a single charge and is rechargeable with the wireless charging system. And you just slide it in, and with it being plugged in, and it will charge. Very nice, feels nice. This is a close up. All right, now next we have the Manscaped, the Shears 2.0. The Shears 2.0 4-piece nail kit and the Shed Luxury Travel Bag. The kit includes tempered stainless steel tools, and it includes slashed tipped tweezers, rounded point scissors, fingernail clippers, and a medium grit nail file. Alright, let's see here. Open it up. I like the case. Feels really good. Feels premium quality. Don't feel cheap. Very nice first impressions. And then you open it up, and it's magnetic. You open it up, and you have all your stuff in here. So you got your, let's see, I'm going to pull this out. You have your scissors, your medium grit nail file, you got your tweezers, your slash tip tweezers, and you have your fingernail clippers. Very nice. Here, very nice. Well made. I like how these are made. So you just pull up on this top, and then you got your tweezers, and then you just slide it down and close it. Feels good, nicely made. I do like the case. That holds everything. The tweezers, they feel nice. Feels pretty solid. So this is the case that everything goes into. The bottom does not open, which is fine. This here slides in and out, and it's magnetized. Very nice. I like the feel of everything. Now I'm going to, let's see, I'm going to check out how good the lawnmower is. I like the light, helps you see. Very nice. It did shave very good, very smoothly. I like that. Was no pulling. Now I got a little bald spot, but very nice. So the Manscaped, the Toolbox 4.0 is really nice. Overall, I liked how it was packaged. Each individual thing that you got, the Lawnmower 4.0, which is the body um, body hair trimmer, and all the stuff that you got that I showed is all really nicely packaged. The packaging feels like a premium packaging. That thought actually went into the packaging, which is very nice. Everything seems to be really good made. Doesn't feel like it's cheap. Um, so it is one of the items. I'm sure all of them probably, if I look, says that it's designed in California, crafted and assembled in China. Let's see. Designed in California, crafted and assembled in China. Very nice. And before I forget, I almost forgot something. Before I forget, can't forget this. So here we actually got a nice premium bag to put everything in. It has some pockets on the inside. Looks to be 3 separate little departments. Very nice. You have on the other side, you have a zippered pocket. Feels well made and everything. Very nice. Can't forget the carrying case. Feels really good made. Don't feel cheap. Don't feel like it's your oh, it don't feel like your regular old generic type of um, cases. Very nice. So my overall impression with the Manscaped, the Toolbox 4.0, which does include the Lawn Mower 4.0 electric body hair trimmer, which is waterproof and cordless. So it's perfect for trimming in the shower, and it holds a charge up to 90 minutes, and it is wireless. Um, so you don't have to worry about no wires or nothing. You do have the nice little charger stand, which is nice. It's USB-C, which is also very nice. They do include the AC power brick, which is nice. A lot of companies are getting away from that. So seeing that Manscaped included that in this kit was very nice. Um, Overall, the quality feels really good throughout all the different products. Um, and the Weed Whacker, which is the nose and ear trimmer, is cordless and waterproof as well. So you can clean it and charge it easily for um, routine trimming. And the let's see here. Um, I got it here somewhere. Well, the the trimmers, they do feel very well made. Now, they do not have a wireless stand to charge. You actually have to plug them in. Um, and then you got the Plow, which is the Plow 2.0, which is the single blade razor for close up shave for your face. Um, it's nice as well. And then you got the Shears 2.0, which is the 4-piece nail kit and the Shed Luxury travel bag. The kit includes the tempered stainless steel tools, and it includes slash tip tweezers, rounded point scissors, fingernail clippers, and a medium grit nail file. All of it feels good, feels really solid, feels like it'll last a long time. Don't feel cheap at all. Packaging, like I said, the packaging is really good. It's thought actually went into the packaging, which is nice. You know, that they take pride in the products. So I definitely recommend to get the Manscaped. The Toolbox 4.0 comes with everything you would need, and just overall very, very nice. With my impressions and everything, I will rate this a 5 out of 5 stars. Definitely, definitely worth the cost. So get yourself a gift, get your partner a gift, or your friend a gift, and the links are down in the description below, along with a detailed description of my overall thoughts and stuff, the product descriptions, my rating of it, and all the other details in the description. So feel free to go and check it out. And I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Please do like and subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications for whenever I may post a new product review. Until then, may you have a blessed and wonderful day.